All right. Welcome to the Professor Truth Be Told. I know a lot of you have been emailing me, asking me about update on the United States versus Eddie Alexon and update on the civil case with the receiver. First, I have to tell you guys that the criminal case is moving very slowly. It's nothing unusual. That is the way the federal criminal court works. It moved very slowly, then the process of doing discovery. But what I think it's important, and I'm saying this, if you are watching this video and you know anyone who's an investor of EminiFx and they haven't subscribed to my channel, you want them to subscribe to the channel because I am about to release a video that every single investor of EminiFX must watch. Now, as an update with regard to the civil case, this is the FTC case, this is the Federal Trade Commission case against EminiFX and AD Alexandre. Now, I just received from the court the reports of the receiver. It is a 61 pages report, which I must read before I can go over it with all of you guys. Now, because this report is large, the 61 pages of them, I'm going to read it and I'm going to have to do different videos, different parts, so that we can go over what's going on. Now, at the beginning of the case, a lot of us were talking about $59 million. I have to tell you that the investment that 62,000 people made was $250 million, according to the initial report of the receiver. Now, this is just me perusing the report, taking a quick look at it. I haven't read the report thoroughly. I'm going to do that in the next day or so. And then I'm going to do a series of video, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to go over everything that the receiver put on the report. The report is very comprehensive. It's very detailed. It goes over all type of investment that EminiFx made, whether it was real estate, whether it was crypto. I mean, there's different type of things in there. So I want you guys to be ready. I want you guys to tell all your friends, all your family, all the people who invest money in EminiFx, they need to watch this video. Because, like I said before, and I think I've said this many times, a lot of people who deposited cash money to the account, to the bank account belonging to EminiFX or it's Alexon, they're going to have a big problem getting that money back. They're going to have a big problem. So if you are one of these people who deposited cash money into an EminiFX account or AD Alexon account, you want to talk to me, you want to email me, because you're going to have to talk. You're going to have to show proof. Hopefully, you have some receipt somewhere that you made the deposit, because if you don't have the receipt, you're going to have problem. Now, this is just a highlight that I'm giving everyone and kind of an update, but I have the report, like I said. It's a long report. I have to read it. This is where all the juicy stuffs are located. This is where they have found the money. They have found the cryptocurrency account in Estonia, in the country of Estonia. And I am going to go to this report page by page, and I'm going to make a series of videos for you guys to watch. So please keep watching the channel, share the link to the channel, let other people know that the channel is there, because I made a promise to you, the investors, and to the Haitian community, that I will continue reporting on this case. And again, I must say this. We had a Zoom call, and there must be about 70 people who participated in the last Zoom call. I'm going to post the video of the Zoom call that we had. And I want people to understand this. This has nothing to do with A.D. Alexandre himself. No one has said, and certainly I have not said A.D. Alexandre has done anything wrong. what I'm doing is providing information about a very important case. Now, initially, I thought there were just 62,000 people, $60 million. Now, based on the receiver report, it appears that the investment was close to $500 million, $250 million. And a lot of that money is sitting in some account in the country of Estonia and Europe. So we're going to go over all of that with you. Keep watching. There'll be video posting next week about what's in the report, and you don't want to miss that. You want to hear what I have to say, what basically the receiver has found. They have a team of investigators who are out there. They're in Europe, they're in the United States, they're investigating EminiFx. They are basically unwinding this entire portfolio to find out where things are, and all the news are coming out. So you've got to watch these videos. If you want to know what's going on, you've got to watch this channel. You got to be part of this. So stay tuned, and you would learn what the 61 pages of initial report by Mr. David Castleman, who is the receiver, the permanent receiver on the EminiFx matter. So keep watching, share the link, and you would learn more about it. And like I said, if you're an investor, you definitely want to watch this. All right? Thank you.